Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL Server 8.0.44 on CentOS Stream 9. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website. It is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.44. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Select it. Then select the operating system as Red Hat or Oracle Linux. Then select the version Red Hat or Arma Linux or Oracle Linux 9 x86 64-bit. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 902 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and it is tar file. Once download completes, then we will untar this tar file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.44. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. Let's see here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.44 tar file. We have to untar it, tar-except, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Let's see here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Okay, install them by running the command sudo rpm-ivh -deps star.rpm, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. See, MySQL server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is running. Qt. Now connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account. But we don't have anything. But we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to sudo more/var log MySQL d.log, then pipe symbol grep password. See, we got a temporary password is generated for root account. See, this is a temporary password and this is not same for you. Okay, so copy it. Now set the permanent password for root account. Sudo MySQL _secure installation. Paste it, hit enter. Now set the permanent password for root account. Confirm the same. Don't change, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disable, no. Remove test database, yes. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for the MySQL root account. Okay. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-. Then provide the password that you have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.44 on CentOS Stream 9. Okay. See, you can also verify the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer in this bank database. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now verify list of users. So users, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David -p. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.0.44 using this David user. Okay. Now try to access that database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench and DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on CentOS stream operating systems. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.44 on CentOS stream 9. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. If you don't give the D, it won't work. So we have to give D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Okay. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, we have started 1 second ago. So we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.0.44 on CentOS stream. Else these files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. Else remove this one also. rm MySQL, then press the tab. Else we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL server 8.0.44 on CentOS stream 9. Okay. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.